A lube station is used for the maintenance of mobile equipment. It's a purpose-built, relocatable lubricant dispensing system. One thing that you have in common with mining, in civil construction, in heavy industry is mobile equipment, be it a 400-ton truck or right through to a forklift, is that they all need lubricants, either for transmissions or for motors, grease for pivot points and things like that, and even coolant as well. All of that can fit within a lube station, which helps to reduce the machinery downtime and increases operating hours and productivity. The lube station is unique in the way that we take a brand new dangerous goods container and then fit it out with all new equipment, the best pumps, hoses, fittings. We make it into a relocatable unit that's turnkey. So you take it onto a site, you don't need a bricks and mortar facility, and it's ready to go within a few hours. So that keeps capital costs low. The other thing that's really important about a lube station is that it's fully contained within one unit. So that means there's no cross-contamination of lubricants, of oils. It also enables contamination-free dispensing to meet FLAC standards, mitigates any risks of any environmental spills, which is a really important feature for our clients because they have to protect the environments in which they operate. It's a modular design, which means that it can be used in partnership with any dome shelter. And importantly, it's an Australian design, which means it's been designed to some of the most stringent standards that are in the mining and construction world. It's also constructed here in Western Australia, just about 2 hours to the east of Perth, and that helps to put money back into the pockets of regional Western Australia.